Welcome to our online class.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create a TV commercial using the ZXR Studios platform. To create a TV commercial, just go to create commercial right here and you'll be greeted with this layout. Make sure you're in commercial mode and choose the duration of your commercial. Let's say 15 seconds. When you scroll down here, you'll be greeted with the prompting area, prompting space right here. So we are going to create a commercial for Versace. So just go ahead and copy the URL, then paste it right here. Or just go ahead and add your prompt right here. Create a commercial based in New York City in the winter, blah, blah, however you want to do it. Or you can just use your voice to prompt. So I'm going to do this and generate the script. First of all, you can go in and QC your script. Hopefully you like it. If you don't like it, go ahead and reprompt or do whatever you want. So right now it says Versace Manhattan luxury fade-in, snowfall on Fifth Avenue glittering storefront. A woman in a stunning gold Versace coat walks confidently past twinkling Christmas lights, her heels clicking on snowy pavement. Go in and pick how many images we want. Let's pick 2 just because we can. Video model, we have several video models, all Kling 2.6, 1 2.5 and 1 2.6. We have Sora, we have Veo, we have Halo, we have plenty to pick from. I personally like Kling, it looks good. Image model, we're gonna use Dream. Dreamia is good as well, but it's mainly good for things that has text in it. Flux Pro is good as well. Z Image is good as well. I'm just gonna pick this one. Voiceover, we'll use 11 Labs for now, but we have several voiceover. We have one more voice model that I'm going to add to this stack. So generate prompts for those for that commercial. Right now it's saying 4 shots. It's medium confidence optimized 4 shots sequence. All right, it's generated the prompt, so we can go in and add global adjustment here to whatever it is, global adjustment to this prompt. Or if we want more shots, we can add more shots right here. If we want to have more than the 4 shots that the system has recommended, we can add. Then once you add the shots, you need to redistribute the prompt. You're gonna restructure the prompt. Then the system is gonna go in and restructure the prompts and distribute the action over 7 shots. Okay, the first thing we did is generate prompts. After we get the prompts, we're going to prompt to image. And it's showing you it's going to cost you 240 credits for these 4 shots. And if you want, you can go in here and change the prompt that you have. You can go here, change the prompt, whatever you want to do. And once you're done, always save and continue. We're going to save it as Versace. So we have these shots so far. So we're just gonna fill the timeline, then press play. Alright, since we can create consistent characters, we are going to pick a good one, and shot number 3 looks like a good shot right here. So we're gonna go to shot number 3, go ahead and click that. Then let's see, we're gonna download this file, right? I'm gonna find a proper workflow, but for now you have to download. So now go back to this shot number 4, click on this, turn on DNA, character reference, import the character that we have, this one right here, import that. We're gonna call she looks like a Michelle. Create character. That's a character profile, and we can just say update character face, update. So everything is being edited in line. So we've changed the character with this, save shot. If we wanted to, this is image number 2. Let me just go back there. Image number 2, we can click on it like this. We can create a contact sheet with different angles and pick what angle we want. So we have different shots. We have like this, and we can upraise these as well. When you see this showing variance like this, it means you're in the wrong part. Always come out of it, that way it's centered. Then press play. Then convert to video. So anyway, we've used that image model, so we are going to export these. So export project, batch export. Yep, we've done that. Then we are going to clear this, fill timeline one more time. But this time we will not use that image model, that video model, we'll use a different model. So if we scroll up, video model, we are going to use 1.2.6 just came out today, but I don't know why we got 1.2.5. But anyway, let's just use 1.2.5 and convert all to video. Let's see what happens. The fidelity is pretty good too. This is good as well. This one is not moving, so we need to convert and auto replace. Then just convert. You can just keep it in the background if you want, but you know it's gonna convert. Whenever you convert and you miss something, or for some reason that one shot that you're trying to convert isn't working, it's usually because maybe you did this and didn't save and just converted, or a weird reason. But always go in and convert that one shot. You have to be, it has to be selected in the timeline, then you'll be able to see it here, then you convert that. Okay, it's like a little manual situation going on, but you should be able to get it done. Okay, so let's export that as well. Okay, let's export that as well. Export project, batch export. That's that. Then without saving, because once you save, you are going to save override. So you can go in and generate as many as you like. I don't want this tutorial to be too long, but we'll continue exploring what video model is good for what, until we figure it out. Sometimes you might be like, oh, you're gonna exit, but when you exit, this comes up. Always say stay in editor if you try to exit by accident. So so that's how you create TV commercials, guys, and we shall explore more things later. As you can see, there's more elements, like a way to split. If you think it's too fast, you can split this video. You can split this video, then prompt another image for this video, or you can add another shot. You can replace it with something. You can always do extra stuff like that. So that's the tutorial for today. We'll see you guys in the next one.